Hello all, in this video let's see how we can remove all the duplicates in a given list using Python while maintaining the order. So what exactly asked over here is that it's very easy to remove all the duplicates by using the set function, but while maintaining the order is one of the critical things over here. If you're not bothered about maintaining the order, it's totally fine, but if you would like to have maintain the same order, then we have to do something different. Let's go ahead and see how we can do this one. And I'm jumping into my collab over here. So let's see one of the sample lists over here. My list is equal to, I'm just maintaining 1 3 2 5. Okay, 1 3 2. You can see here there are duplicates, right? And now if I remove all the duplicates, the duplicates are like 1 3 and 2. If I remove all the duplicates, 1 3 2 5 are the unique elements over here. So there is a function called set, like list tuple. If you pass any list to a set, it will remove all the duplicates. And let's execute this one and let's see how it's going. So it has deleted all the duplicates, but what it did is that it resetted the order. So I mean, what we are anticipating over here, we are expecting the output as 1 3 2 5. We would like to have this order, but whereas by using the set, it is generating it is removing the duplicates, but it is resetting the order. I mean, it is sorting the elements. So let's see how we can do how we can maintain this order. So always let's use the functions define remove duplicates. So anyway, we are planning to pass a list over here, right? So I'm just considering lst as my list. Okay, and now for item in list, so basically what this does, if we execute this for item in my list, print item, so basically it prints all the elements in a list. So the same I'm doing over here for item in list. So now let's see, I wanted only the unique element. So what I will do, I will just take one scene is equal to set of. I'm just taking a function. I mean, if you do set of, it returns only set, nothing else. So I just took a set of and I was sent to the scene. So if item not in scene, if this is not in the scene in this set, I would like to add this one. So scene dot add item. Okay, now let's return the scene. Now what I'm doing, so I'm going through each and every element here, and then I'm checking this element. For example, let's say 1. Let's say here 1. This 1, it goes inside and checks whether this 1 is in the inside scene or not. If this is not there, then it will add 1 here. So then after this one here, it will like set 1. That next, for example, let's say again, if the 1 is the element, it goes and it checks like if item not in scene, but by this time item is already in, 1 is already in this set, so it will not go into this one, right? So now return scene. Okay, so let's do this one, remove duplicates of my list. If I run this one again, whatever we have got here, the same thing we have done here, 1 2 3 5. So how we can maintain the order? So by set, actually you can't maintain the order. So for that you have to use a list. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one list over here, results is equal to a list. Here along with scene, while adding into the scene, I will add to the results as well, lts dot add of item. So instead of returning the scene here, I will return the result. So now let's execute this one. Sorry, it's a this is a set, so we used to append we have to use add, whereas for the list we have to use the append. Now there it goes. So now for example, let's say we have my list is equal to 1 5 4 1 3 2. So after removing the duplicates, what we are anticipating, 1 5 4 3 2. So let's see where we can do this one. Now remove, I'm calling the function remove duplicates of my list. There it go. Whatever we are anticipating, we have got this one. So this is how you play with the data structures. So please do watch my rest of the videos and to understand more about the data structures. Thanks a lot for watching this video.